Okay, I think I have officially lost my mind. But I have taken everything off of the back wall behind my dining room table and over my couch. And I've taped up the wall because I'm fixing to paint this wall the same color as my front bathroom, which is basically the same color. It's just like maybe a half shade darker. These walls are just in really bad shape. See all the scuff marks, and you know, it's just, they're really bad. And since I am painting, I decided that I would go ahead and do this. And I went ahead and took everything down tonight, got my stuff taped off, and in the morning I'm gonna get up, cut it in, roll it, call it good, and then tomorrow afternoon I'll put all my stuff back on. But yeah, and who knows, I may get a wild hair and paint it tonight. You just never know. All right, that's the coat one, and I did do it tonight. I'll get up in the morning and I gotta cut in some more. This paint is so hard to cut in because it is the exact same color as the wall. But if you'll see, it's just a little bit of a different shade. Let me go around to the other side. So I think it's just gonna give a little bit of a contrast just on that back wall. And then when all my stuff goes back up, I think it'll look good. So I already had the paint, and I was already in the painting mode since we've been painting, and that wall needed it, so there you go. So I will show y'all the finished results, and definitely after I hang everything back up. And oh my gosh, this just painting just, I gotta clean everything because it just lets you know. So this color is called, in case any of y'all want to know, it is called, let me see. It is the Valspar Signature, and it is Truffle Oil by Valspar. So in case any of y'all want to know. I wanted to show y'all see this candle? It looks like Bath and Body Works, huh? Well, it's not. It is a great value candle from Walmart called Apple Spice. Fits perfectly in my Bath and Body Works candle holder. And actually, I was watching Jennifer's channel the other day from Cook, Clean, Repeat, and she had these candles on there. And I was like, well, let me try it out. And they smell so good. And I'm going to show you another one that I have. My bathroom, it's orange, and it's called Pumpkin Waffle. And it smells so good. So good. So it's an alternative to Bath and Body Works candles. They're only like $4 and some change, which is a big difference from, you know, even $11.95 or $24.50. So just FYI. I also started taking down my summer stuff. I would add this to it. So here's all my summer stuff. I've got a box up. I have my outside stuff I still have to get. Here's all the stuff that I took down to paint. My once clean guest room is now like, this is stuff that's got to go in the attic. And we're going to get in the attic tomorrow. I'm going to get my fall stuff down. And of course, when the walls dry, I've got to give them another coat, and then I'll be putting all my stuff back up. But yeah, not so clean now, is it? All right, I got it painted and got everything put back up, and I'm going to show you what I started with my fall decor. Well, for instance, and I don't know if this will stay here, but just a little touch of fall. I have that little milk can. I just stuck some of those Dollar Tree berries in there just to give it a little touch of fall there, but it may not stay when I get all of my fall decor pulled out. We still haven't got it out of the attic yet. And then let me show you over here on the shelf that James made. Here I just stuck some cotton there. Again, that might not stay. Stuck some cotton there. None of this may stay where I have it because I haven't got my fall decor out yet, so It's just what I had. Now this will probably stay. I just stuck some, I had lavender in here. I stuck some Dollar Tree flowers in here. This is one of the little Dollar Tree pumpkins. And another little Dollar Tree pumpkin. This cotton will probably stay, and this cotton. Because I just had lavender stuck there. And so I took that out. But that is, if you hear, I'm frying some pork chops for James for dinner. That's what he wanted. So that's what you hear going on behind me. But the wall, y'all, I am so, like here you can't really tell in this corner that it's different. But when you get over here to this corner, you see a difference. I don't know. This paint plays tricks on your eyes, but I'm proud of the way it turned out. It needed it, and I think it looks really good. So there you go. If I wouldn't have told you, you probably wouldn't have even known it. So James wanted some fried pork chops, and I had some potatoes that were going bad that I'm going to make some mashed potatoes. So yeah, I don't normally fry my pork chops in this, but he already had some oil in it. From the other night, he made some taco dip, and so he fried some flour chips from the tortillas. So yeah. And I ordered, normally I do an egg wash on my pork chops before I put them in the grease to fry them, but I'm out of milk, you know, so I just had to put it in plain, you know, regular flour and then put it in the oil. But they're looking good, so it's okay. Got the oven heating up where I can stick them in the oven and keep them warm for him, so he's ready to eat. And I think I may make, I don't know if I have any rolls, crescent rolls or anything, but you know how we are. We in the South, we're going to fry it.
Pork chop. You did. Well, I know it was good, but you don't need to eat all of them. That's what you want, ain't it? Huh. Son, you're about to bust already. What? She's not taking your side. You've already eaten. Yes, I cut you up pork chop. What? I tell you what, I gotta go outside and work some more. If you be a good boy, I'll give you another bite. That's not good enough, is it? You're overweight now. You can't ignore that. I mean, come on. I'll give you some taters and gravy in a little bit, okay? You let the pork chop go down. No! I'm not going to. I know it was good, but I can't just feed you every time you say something.
Buster! Buster! Buster, what's wrong? Buster!
Daddy won't give me no more pork chop.
Buster, what's wrong? You got paint all over you.
I know. It's for your own good. Uh-huh. I hear you.
You love Daddy? Even though he's trying to take care of you, or you mad at him?
He's mad. Won't even put his head on my shoulder.
You go pout?
Yep.
Give Daddy love.
Nope.
Give Daddy some sugars.
Nope. Won't even put his head on my shoulder. Not gonna happen.
Give Daddy sugar. Give Daddy loving. Give Daddy some sugars.
Nope.
It's been it.
Not right now. Maybe in a little while. My goodness.
James, aren't you so lucky? You have me and Buster.
Yeah.
What?
Tail's about to wag off.
Oh, you won't give him a pork chop, but you're going to get... Oh, okay. I thought you was getting him a TREAT.
Why are you spelling it?
Because he knows what I say.
Exactly.
You've already licked your bowl clean, Buster.
He said, Mama, that was good pork chop. I want another one. Just like it. Maybe with some gravy on it.
And James, we're not the best ones to tell him that he's overweight.
I can, because I am.
But I mean, we eat whatever we want.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. I'm just saying. It's not a very good argument when you say, you're overweight, son.
Your belly's bigger than mine. Hmm.
Really, James? Yeah, it gonna get you.